everyone, thank you for watching video today, and I hope you will like it. Today we gonna go through the secret menu for the Honda Odyssey 2019 and 2020, and it's gonna be have a lot of function. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, learn from the video, but please make sure that you don't save or you don't change anything in the setting, unless if you are sure, because it might avoid the warranty of the car. The video today is just purposely just educational, just to see the feature, but I would like to make sure that it doesn't make any harm for your software or your car functional. So today, if you want to open the secret menu for the Honda Odyssey, you need to press 3 buttons together. It's the volume, audio, brightness, contrast, and the home for like a couple seconds all together, 3. And then you're gonna watch on the screen that it have a pop-up. So to enter today the secret menu, you need to press 3 buttons together. Is the audio, volume, brightness, contrast, and the home button, all 3 together, just for a couple seconds, and it's gonna pop up a new secret menu for you, so you can see here. It's gonna pop up self-diagnostic mode or details information. So if you press on self-diagnostic mode, that's gonna open the system to read all the functions and see it's all the details about everything in the car. You can see here it has frame, body, AC, gateway, AM, FM, amplifier, radio. Also here the IC would have GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all the details, and also the display here have a display in GPS. Also to have a connection, you can, I think, upload any software to the car or upgrade. So you can press on any one of them and it's gonna give you like a kind of details, or like if you press display, it's gonna give you some details about display, what is the version or something, and then you can press return. I'm gonna press return. We're gonna go to the second menu as a detailed information. Here it's gonna give you a lot of lists of information, like for the function that's the car have it, and you can scroll over, you can see all the details. Like example, this is the, I think, versions or upgrades been happened. This is the temperature. It's gonna list it was the temperature and Celsius, or also you can here you can just change it to Fahrenheit, so it's going to change the temperatures and see all those kind of details. Let's have some functional setups. Android Auto operations, Apple CarPlay. Let's have a function, but it looks like those are function that was dark. That's you cannot press on it, like HDMI. If you want to add something, those, I think the service, car service, they can open it for them for maintenance or installation options. So yeah, and then we can close it, go back to the main menu. There is another option also. You can open the developer. So if you open the setting, you go to the system, you go to the about, and also you go to build number, like whatever build number. If you press 7 times on build number, it's gonna open you a developer option, and then you can be able to have access to all the developer options, exactly like what you have in the Android apps. You can open the USB debugging, allow debugging apps. You can enter all those developer options. But please again, make sure you don't change anything in the car function, because you don't want to make any issue, unless if you know what's happening. And it's again, it's today's the video is just educational. It's not be able to change anything here, just to browsing for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you subscribe if you like my video. Hope you subscribe, and if you have a question, write comment in the below. If I'll try to read the comments and try to answer any questions. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.